Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app. Following that, tap on one of your chats and select this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Now tap on the Files section, and over here you can select your file right away by holding it, or click on those two filters, audio and videos. When you're ready, just hold your file, tap on Select at the top right corner, and as you can see after that, mine was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!